Hello kids, let's learn new shapes and colors. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Let's start the video. These are our colors. What it is? These are our colors. These are our colors. This is black color. Let us draw the shapes and symbols. Hexagon, curved up arrow, this is cylinder, rhombus or diamond, this is circle, this is square. Now let us color the shapes and symbols. This is sky blue color. Hexagon, red color, curved up arrow, green color, cylinder, olive green, this is rhombus or diamond, yellow color, circle, it has no sides, purple color, this is square, hexagon, curved up arrow, cylinder, rhombus, circle, square. Square has 4 sides. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.